Good morning, everyone. I have a lot of projects today, so I'm going to start with setting up this pen inside my duck pen because I am going to take these babies over here. All the ducks in there are big enough. I need to move over and in with my big ducks in their pen. So I am going to take this pen here and I'm going to set it up around the little house there so that way all the older ducks can see the younger ones and they can all get used to each other before I just set them all free together. Temporary enclosure is set up. It's got a nice little gate here. I gave them some food and some water. Now let's go get some ducks. All babies have been moved. They're out in here and I'm gonna leave them in this pen for a little bit to get used to the other ones. Probably take it down by the end of the day. We'll see how they're all doing. Now I have to go and clean out the pen that they were at and move my other geese out of my red pen into that one. I left the gate open for my Toulouse goslings. They've been in there for a while and have been able to see my Chinese goose through the fence, but haven't been out with them yet. So far, they seem to be doing okay, but I'm going to keep an eye on them all day today, and I'll probably separate them again in the evening just to make sure everyone's getting along. Here is the second step of the project now. I've moved the ducklings out, so now I have to clean out this so I can move my goslings over from the red one into this bigger pen. All cleaned out, fresh bedding, fresh food. Time to move the babies. They're all moved in. Everybody's noisy and checking them out. The red pine pen behind me is all cleaned out, so let's go dump this in the garden, and I'm gonna leave this pen to air out for the day and dry out before I move my ducks and my little gosling from the barn out here. that's all for the moving of birds today. I'm gonna let that red pen dry out, and then probably this weekend I will be moving my ducklings and my little runt goose over to that outside red pen. So stay tuned, I'll be making a video on that, and have a great day.